Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? What's going on, especially Chiliz holders? So, most welcome to my new latest video. This time, we talk about the Chiliz to what's going on, Chiliz production, also in this video, and the Chiliz, what's the Chiliz target, and what's my opinion to this is selling time or holding time. But first of all, everybody know about the crypto market to what's going on in a crypto market's losing or going up. So you can see here this time, you can see here very badly falls down crypto market as a very bad loss. This time every cryptocurrency very badly falls down, especially the Bitcoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. But this time you can see here the Dutch coin, one of unique coin to they go up in those days. Absolutely, I advise you, my friends, to please, if you want to invest in these dollars, I think this is my advice you to invest in Dutch coin, because this is continuously gone up like a rocket, my friend. And the target of Dutch coin, I tell you, to $1. If they hit $1, then they make you millionaire, my friend. So I think this is not a financial video. This is I just advise you, my brother. To this is good for you. If you keep touch with ABS Tech channel, then I advise you a good any cryptocurrency. So keep touch with ABS Tech channel. Subscribe our YouTube channel. I advise you anytime. I give you very good guidance of any cryptocurrencies. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video. Okay, my friends, come to the challenge to what's going on. This time, if you can see here in the last 24 hours, the challenge very badly falls down. Minus 11.66% they falls down. But in the last previous challenge going up very goodly, my friend. The challenge give us very good profit, but I can't believe to how is it possible to in the last 24 hours they falls down. So let's see to what's going on, my friends. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. This is good for everyone, my friends. If you can see here this time, the challenge price as latest price as 0.6 US dollar, my friend. But you can see here on the last 24 hours change occur minus 10.92% they falls down, my friend. Okay, what's my prediction? That down falls, they falls down 10 point, and on upcoming days they going up or they falls down exactly. So what's my prediction? Okay, I draw a first line. This is A1, you can see here, and this is A2, my friend. This is my second line, if you can see here. Okay, so first of all, be focused on the chart, because this chart is very important. If you can see here, this time they falls down, my friend. After this fails, they take a jump, my friends. They take a jump. But this take a jump. After this jump, this is very small jump, my friend. This is not a big jump, but I hope they can go up. Exactly. After a fails, they take a absolutely very big jump. So after a fails, they also, if you can see here, this is the highest point. This is the highest point. So if they cross it the highest point, then I hope they can hit it 0.7 US dollar. So our target is 0.7 US dollar, my friend. Our target is very high, but I not a very high. I hope they can hit it if they go in this circulation. In upcoming days they jumping, they start jumping. So I hope they can go on and they hit it 0.7 US dollar. So our target is 0.7. I hope they can take a very high jump and they come to this point. So if they come to this point, then I hope they give you a very good profit, my friends. So what's my opinion? I told you, my friends, I think this is holding time. If you can see this time they very badly falls, minus 10.92% they fall. If you sell it, and this time you are in the loss. Exactly, you are in the loss. But if you wait for a good time, wait for just the end of this month, I hope they give you very good profit and they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching my Chiliz holder. Please understand what I talk you. Chiliz is moving up in upcoming days. Please hold it and don't sell it, and be safe from more loss. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please like and subscribe.